Hello there. I am unboxing these toys here. So, let's do this. First off, we're starting off with this. Right, here we have it. Let's open this up. It's this small train. Just there we go. It's park and ride. These things are pretty cool. See, with this coupling you can like connect them to each other. Right then, on to the next one. Now we're on to the big one. The low loader with the rocket on top. Let's open this up. Let's see. Come on! The rocket fell over. There we go. There we go. Now we see, it's really awesome. Look at this. Wait, let me try and get it. There we go. Look at this. It can go up! And then the rocket can detach! Isn't that awesome? Yeah, that's cool. Well, guys, that's the end of today. Bye.